Yeah, hi Mark, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know, I've done your other Beosound one for you. That's all working as it should be. I've given it a good clean inside for you, got rid of a lot of that dust. I've put a new laser in there for you. It's all working as it should be. So all good on that. I've had it playing here for quite a few hours now, so excuse the movement of the camera. I'm just going to stick another CD in for you. Let me just play that. Yep, there you go. Yeah, so basically it's all working as it should be. I've had them both on test for quite a few hours, obviously, because I just sit here listening to them while I'm working away. Again, you know, they are good. You know, great sound. I'm really impressed with the sounds of these. I mean, this black one's in reasonable condition. There's a few marks on the front there. Obviously, you already know about that.
Ground control,
but it's not too bad. Let's just turn that down a little bit. But yeah, I can go up to CD4, 5. But yeah, it's yeah, all good and working for you. They're both ready to be shipped as soon as we get payment for that. So thanks again, Mark. You got a 6-month warranty on parts and labour on the work that I've actually done. Obviously, it doesn't include main boards and things like that. But if you get any problems with a laser, happy to sort it out for you. Not a problem. So thank you very much. Really appreciate that. And let me know when you got them. Thank you.